time out and being with us today. This is a landmark day for us. SAP Labs India Innovation Park. We've got a Bharatanatyam performance. Watch Shri Priyank Kharge, Sindhu, Thomas, Gert, Duke, Klaus Newman. We've got His Excellency Dr. Ackerman and Simon Davis. Please join us for the lighting of the lamp. Us in and give us a countdown from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I request Tom to kindly declare it open.
The SAP Innovation Park. Open!
To India. And now, ladies and gentlemen, for the tree plantation, we've got our buggies ready.
Move this side. Move this side. Sir, buggy move.
And the employees, all of you who are
Okay, la. Karta idela? Thomas. Please. Together? Thomas, please.
Sandalwood tree.
That's a good one. Love that one.
Okay, next place, sir. Now look at the camera, sir. Yes.
Good, Mr. Kharge. Yes, please.
Chief Minister.
Please.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. As we as a company, our customers will experience AI from SAP, which comes from Bangalore, and Sindhu, our labs engines for sure leading all of the employees and really
Also, and being here ambassador as well, and this also is a perfect time because I think the India-Germany relationship is at an all-time high.
launch of something very, very special. SAP Labs India Innovation Park, ladies and gentlemen. The inauguration.
Gandalf
our supervisory board member of SAP and a long time supporter for India and someone who's
Shri Siddaramaiah ji.
Good morning to all. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು. Sri Priyank Kharge ji, Honorable Minister for Rural Development and Panchayat Raj and Electronics ITBT, Government of Karnataka. Dr. Philip Ackerman, German Ambassador to India. Mr. Gerard Oswald, Member of Supervisory Board of SAP. Sri Thomas Sarishing, Member of Executive Board of SAP. Sri Sharath Bachegowda, Member of Legislative Assembly and Chairman Kionix. Dr. Ekrup Kaur, Secretary to Government, Department of Electronics, ITBT and Science and Technology, Government of Karnataka. Mrs. Sindhu Gangadharan, Managing Director of SAP Labs India, all guests and invitees, friends from media, and ladies and gentlemen. It's an honor to address this distinguished gathering at the inaugural ceremony of the SAP Labs India Innovation Park in Devanahalli, Bengaluru. I extend my warmest greetings to all of you. Today, we stand at the threshold of new chapter in Karnataka's journey as a global hub for innovation and technology. The SAP Labs India Innovation Park is not just a campus, it is a bold statement of Bengaluru's leadership as India's technology and innovation capital. This 41 acres Center of Excellence in Devanahalli is a testament to Karnataka's unique strengths, our tech-savvy talent, world-class infrastructure, and progressive policies that makes our state a magnet for global investment. Karnataka contributes over 8% to India's GDP and leads the nation in IT exports with a 35% share. We are proud to account for over 40% of India's electronics and R&D exports, boasting 500 plus global capability centers, 400 plus R&D labs, and 18,300 plus startups. Bengaluru, the startup capital of India, is home to over 40% of the nation's unicorns. This vibrant ecosystem, where industry, academia, and government collaborate seamlessly, has made Karnataka the epicenter of India's innovation revolution. This establishment of SAP's Innovation Park reaffirms the deep trust that global leaders place in Karnataka. Since 1988, SAP Labs India, headquartered in Bengaluru, has grown to become SAP's largest R&D facility outside Germany, a shining example of state's role in global innovation. What makes this moment special is SAP's choice of Devanahalli for this transformative campus, strategically located near Bengaluru's International Airport. Devanahalli is fast emerging as a vibrant hub for technology and economic growth. Our government is committed to transforming Devanahalli into a major technology and innovation cluster with metro connectivity approved in the Karnataka budget 2025 and suburban rail expected by 2029. We are laying the foundation for balanced, decentralized growth across Bengaluru. This state-of-the-art campus designed to house 15,000 professionals in the long term will strengthen Karnataka's position as India's innovation workforce engine. It is a milestone in our mission to create high-value jobs and opportunities for our youth. I commend SAP for designing a campus that is not only a benchmark in technological excellence, but also a model of sustainability, aspiring to net zero, water positive, and carbon neutral. This aligns perfectly with Karnataka's vision of sustainable industrial development. As we advance in clean energy, sustainable mobility, and eco-conscious growth, investments like the demonstrate how economic progress and environmental responsibility can go hand in hand. Karnataka is deeply committed to fostering a pro-industry, pro-innovation environment through policies like the Karnataka GCC policy, the Beyond Bengaluru mission, and 21 emerging technology centers of excellence. We are enabling the next wave of global technology investments. Our initiatives, such as global technology centers and global innovation districts, are building the foundation for the industries of tomorrow, not just in Bengaluru, but across Karnataka. We are proud to partner with SAP in areas like digital governance, smart cities, skilling, and sustainability. Through SAP Startup Studio and co-innovation platforms, we see immense potential to empower MSMEs and enhance government services with cutting-edge digital tools. I am delighted to witness the signing of an MOU between the Government of Karnataka and Gati Shakti Vishwa Vidyalaya in the presence of SAP Labs India. The partnership will create a pipeline of industry-ready talent in logistics, infrastructure, and emerging technologies. The collaboration between SAP Labs India and the globally renowned Technical University of Munich is another landmark step. This public-private academic collaboration increase the power of collective effort in shaping a future-ready Karnataka. They reflect our commitment to skilling our youth and ensuring they are globally competitive. Let this innovation park be more than a workplace. Let it be a launchpad for global solutions built in Karnataka for the world, empowering talent from our cities, towns, and emerging tech clusters. On behalf of the Government of Karnataka, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to SAP Labs India for this landmark investment. This campus stands as a symbol of our shared ambition and mutual trust. As we inaugurate this world-class facility, let us reaffirm our commitment to making Karnataka the most innovation-friendly state in India, a place where global leaders like SAP can invest, innovate, and cooperate brighter future. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.